In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email campaign in Omnisend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. From the search results, click the official Omnisend link to open the site, then log into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the Campaigns section. This is where all your one-off email sends are created and managed, so it's the perfect place to begin. Click New Campaign and choose Email. You'll first enter the core details your audience sees in their inbox. For the subject line, try the Omnisend AI subject line generator to brainstorm catchy ideas, or run your draft through the subject line tester to gauge clarity and impact. Keep it concise, relevant, and aligned with your brand's tone. Next, add a pre-header. This short line appears after the subject and gives subscribers a little more context. Think of it as a helpful teaser that encourages opens. Confirm your sender details by checking the display name and verified professional email address. Consistency here builds trust and helps with deliverability. Now, choose your email template. Click Choose Email Template, then browse the library. You can filter by goals like promotion or product launch to find a layout that matches your purpose. When you find a good fit, select Use Template to open it in the builder. Inside the drag and drop email builder, customize your message. Drag in items like text, images, buttons, and unique discount codes to shape your layout. Keep copy scannable and visuals on brand. If you sell products, use the product picker to pull items directly from your store into the email. This saves time and ensures accurate titles, prices, and images. Before you move on, preview your design on both desktop and mobile. Use the display settings to hide or show specific elements by device so the experience feels tailored and clean on every screen. When your content looks great, click Save and choose Recipients. You can send to all subscribers or target specific segments. Segments help you tailor messaging to behaviors or interests, improving engagement and conversions. After selecting your audience, click Review Campaign to see a final summary of settings and content. You're now ready to send. You can deliver the email immediately or schedule it for later. If scheduling, pick the exact date and time and choose the time zone, either your own or your subscribers, to match when they're most likely to engage. Give everything one last glance, then confirm. Your campaign is on its way.